Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hatch. To replace this taillight, I'm going to take a small flat-bladed screwdriver and pop out the cap that's here, and then there's another one up top, so just pry it out. Do the same for this one. Put those aside so I don't lose them. Behind both of those caps, there's 8mm bolts. They have a cutout for a Phillips head screwdriver, so you could use a Phillips head screwdriver, but it's easier, I think, to use an 8mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Put that aside. Do the same for this one. There's 3 clips along the edge of this taillight, so I'm going to try to push it away from the body and out. Might have to pull it this way. Just pop them out and then slide it out underneath the hatch support. And then we'll pull it out of here. To change the bulbs, you'll need to pop the taillight out like that from the body. We can start with this bottom one. This is a reverse light bulb. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock the socket, pull it out. This is a 7440 bulb. Just pull it straight out of the socket. And then to install it, this bulb's working fine, we'll reuse it. Just push it right back in. And turn it clockwise. Once you find the locks, it'll kind of slide into place. Like that. Turn it clockwise and it'll lock into place. The turn signal bulb, turn it counterclockwise. This is a WY21W or a 7440 amber. It's the same type of bulb. Again, you just pull it out and then put it right back in. You can touch these with your fingers, it's not going to bother them. Then just find the slots, line up the connector, and turn it clockwise to lock it. For the brake light bulb, turn it counterclockwise. This is a 7443. Dual filament. This one actually looks like it's starting to get a little burnt. Hasn't quite burnt out yet, but I'll put a new one in. So we'll just pull it out. Put the new one in place. Pushes right in. Find the slots in the opening. Right back in where that wire popped out. And the top one, marker light, turn it counterclockwise. That's a 194 peanut bulb. Change it, just pull it out. And then put it right back in. Find the slots, get them lined up. Turn clockwise to lock it in place. Push this harness back in here. And then reinstall the taillight. Give it a good push into the body. Seats in place. Reinstall the bolts. feel these get tight, just stop. Do the same for both. Reuse these gray caps, just push them in. The tab goes in the bottom, the opening is at the top. Taillight lens is replaced.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.